Well, it's old-fashioned Fridays here in the Sunshine State, in downtown Seattle. And we're heading over to the Goldfinch Tavern over at the Four Seasons to go check and see if their gold fashion is better than an old fashioned. So can this gold fashion really be better than a regular old fashioned? Well, there's only one way to find out if it is or not.
Ooh. I like that smell.
Wow, I like the smell.
Yeah, you can.
I smell a lot of orange right
There's
now.
a lot of orange, but there's like something else on there.
Well, I'm getting orange right at the top.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's definitely orangey.
Oh, that's different. I get more. Is it like more peaty of a whiskey?
I was gonna say.
Is it peaty?
I think that is what I'm chasing because I was gonna say smoky, but that's the peat. What was it?
No, it's
Toki whiskey.
Is it a Japanese whiskey?
I think so. Tokai whiskey. Reishi, Earl Grey, syrup, and rhubarb bitters.
Rhubarb. Holy fuck. Yeah, so
Taki? Is that do you pronounce that Taki or Toki?
I can see why they did the tea. It's a different old fashioned.
Well, and you know, it's kind of weird because the tea is in there too.
I'm enjoying this more and more by the sip, actually. What about you?
I like it. What kind of mad genius thinks about putting Earl Grey tea syrup into an old fashioned? Oh, it works, huh? It does like kind of makes it pretty kind of complicated tasting.
I'm liking that more and more each sip. It's winning me over.
Has a good texture to it, kind of too. Like, it's definitely smoother. It's a lot smoother tasting than the first one.
Yeah, I wonder what the proof is compared to the Rittenhouse. Yeah, this is more balanced than the Rittenhouse.
Yeah, I wish I had two of these ones actually. Now that I'm kind of getting to the bottom of the glass, it's really it's pretty nice. Like that tinkle sound. Tinkle, tinkle, tinkle.
Take me home, country road, to the place I belong. Old-fashioned Friday.
Sunny days in Seattle.
Sunshine State, Friday.
It is the Sunshine State. Not many people know that, but it's true.
I think it's the Emerald City, but it's actually the Sunshine State.
Yeah, we're stealing the name.
What do you think about the cold fashion?
At the Goldfinch. I'm gonna give that 8.5 because I actually really like that. Unfortunately, I can't remember what I gave the Yesler with the apple, which is pretty unique as well.
Oh, well, have a look.
And I actually like the apple one better. I'll put that on the record. Whatever.
Yeah, I do like that. Yesler Old Fashioned.
Yeah,
that was fantastic.
That was fantastic. 8.4. I'll say 8.4 on this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Well, I had an 8.0 right on the other, the Rittenhouse.
Yeah, the Rittenhouse was.
I'm assuming it's the syrup that they use in this one over the actual whiskey itself, and the perhaps the rhubarb bitters, which I don't really taste
I don't taste
the sourness of that at all, the bitterness of that, but
no.
Just that, put that Earl Grey syrup in there. Just gives it kind of a complicated flavor. It's weird. It works.
Give this an 8.4.
An A4.
Yeah.